Hello friends, welcome to AngreziGuru.com. First of all, I want to thank each one of you for liking and subscribing to my channel. आपने प्रीवियस वीडियो को लाइक किया, पसंद किया, आपने कमेंट भी किए एंड आई एम ग्लैड, इनफैक्ट माय टीम इज़ ग्लैड कि आप लोगों ने उस पर काम भी किया एंड आप लोगों ने फीडबैक भी शेयर किया. ओके, आज का टॉपिक हमारा बहुत ही सिंपल, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि एड्रेस को हम एड्रेस क्यों बोलते हैं? कई लोग इसे एड्रेस बोलते हैं, कई लोग इसे एड्रेस बोलते हैं. सेम वर्ड है कॉन्डक्ट, कंडक्ट, प्रोजेक्ट, प्रोजेक्ट, प्रोसेस, प्रोसेस. सो आज हम इसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन रखते हैं अपना और आपको बताएंगे कि एग्जैक्टली ये है क्यों, इसका फंक्शन क्या है, हाउ डज इट वर्क. So how does the pronunciation change? I mean, so let's talk about it. हम क्या करेंगे, इसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. So जो ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं primarily उसका जो सेग्रीगेशन होता है that depends on noun and verbs. अब आप देखें एड्रेस, मैं बोलता हूं एड्रेस. If you happen to look at closely तो आप देखेंगे कि मैं बोल रहा हूं एड. मेरा स्ट्रेस कहाँ जा रहा है? एड पे, एड्रेस. तो जब आपका स्ट्रेस पहले सिलेबल पे जाता है, राइट, और अभी जो भी हम वर्ड्स डिस्कस करेंगे दैट विल हैव टू सिलेबल्स. मैं अब जब सिलेबल की बात कर रहा हूं तो वर्ड को प्राइमरली हम दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं. इनफैक्ट दो पार्ट में वो ऑटोमेटिकली डिवाइडेड होता है. जैसे मैं बोलता हूं एड्रेस, तो एड और रेस. तो ये कहाँ पे एड्रेस होता है और कहाँ पे एड्रेस होता है, हम इस पे डिस्कशन करेंगे आज. अब आप देखें एड्रेस, एड, दैट इज द फर्स्ट सिलेबल. जब आप किसी के एड्रेस की बात करते हैं, लाइक कि उसका पता क्या है, वो रहता कहाँ पे है, तो उस एड्रेस को हम एड्रेस बोलते हैं. जहाँ पे कि आपका सिलेबल स्ट्रेस जो होता है वो फर्स्ट पार्ट पे होता है. एड, address. Okay, I live at this address. However, जब आप बात करते हैं address, so address का मीनिंग बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाता है. address का मतलब होता है एक्चुअली संबोधित करना. Like, I'll give you an example. The Prime Minister addressed the nation on the eve of Independence Day. So that is your address. So address क्या है आपका? Noun है और address क्या है? Verb है. तो दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? जो आपका स्ट्रेस होता है नाउन में वो फर्स्ट सिलेबल पे आता है और वर्ब में सेकंड सिलेबल पे जाता है. एड, रेस, अड, रेस. सो एड्रेस पता वाला एड्रेस और एड्रेस संबोधित करने वाला एड्रेस. ओके, सेकंड वर्ड पे हम चलते हैं कॉन्डक्ट. कॉन्डक्ट, अगर आप कॉन्डक्ट को देखें, जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूं कॉन, मेरा स्ट्रेस कहां पे जा रहा है? कॉन पे, कॉन्डक्ट, तो इट बिकम्स अ नाउन, राइट. और जैसे मैं बोलता हूं कंडक्ट, राइट, कन को छोटा कर रहा हूं एंड डक्ट बिकम्स अ बिट स्ट्रेच्ड, सो दैट इज कंडक्ट. सो कॉन्डक्ट इज योर नाउन एंड कंडक्ट इज योर वर्ब. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. हिज कॉन्डक्ट वाज नॉट गुड एट ऑल इन द मीटिंग. नाउ हियर conduct is a noun, right? Now let's talk about how we can use it as a verb. Okay, so he conducted himself in a really good way. Okay, he conducted himself in a very professional way, so that is conduct. Okay, now next word that we have got for you is refund. अब आप देखो refund also has got two syllables, re and fund. So when you use it as a noun, it is refund, right? I need refund of my money, so that is your noun. Okay, now if you want to use it as a verb, you would say your money will be refunded. Your money will be refunded. So refund as a noun and refund as a verb. Okay, next example that we have got for you is project. Project, I don't want to work on this project. That is your noun. Okay. Now the manager projected the graphical representation of the data of all the employees. So that is your verb. So he projected, and I don't want to work on this project. So project is your noun and project is your verb. Okay. Next word that we have got for you is process. और ये काफ़ी common है. I have seen people using process instead of process, and instead of process they end up using process. So how do we actually differentiate? So the point is, again, the same rule. Process, pro, right? When your first syllable is being stretched, or it is being stressed rather, okay, then it is being used as a noun, that is process. But on the contrary, if it is being used like the second syllable is being stressed, then it is as a verb. Okay, so let's try to understand it through an example, right? So I say, I don't know how to make a cup of tea, right? So you're talking about a process. So I don't know the process of making a cup of tea. Okay, and my salary was processed yesterday. So that is your verb, right? So process and process. So they are two different words with different usage. All right. I hope this video is gonna help you erase all the confusion that you have in past. Let's try and understand through it some more example. You can practice it on your own. So the words could be impact, right? Okay. I say escort. All right. Okay. I say permit, right? I say progress. I say insult, right? It could be insult. Okay, I don't want to take this insult, right? And he insulted me yesterday. I don't want to take this insult. He insulted me yesterday. So every word which can be used as a noun or as a verb which has got two syllables in it, right? When you try to use it as a noun, the stress goes on to the first syllable, and when you try to use it as a verb, the stress goes out onto the second syllable, right? So the only exception to it is the word comment. Understand, guys? Comment is the only word which has got two syllables, but the point is it works as an exception. Whether you use it as a noun or as a verb, it remains the same. Its pronunciation never changes, right? So it is comment. All the time it's comment. Okay, he commented, not he commented. Commented is wrong, right? Comment is right. So whether you use it as a noun or as a verb, it's gonna remain as comment. He commented on my physical appearance, right? His comments were not appreciated. All right. Hope this becomes clear to you now. Obviously, we will talk about something very important in our next segment as well. And very soon we are coming up with the practice set for you as well, so that you can practice it on your own and you can try and enhance your communication skills. Thank you so very much for liking our channel. Thanks a lot.